In this video, I'll show you how to use Lime CRM. First, go to Lime CRM website, then click on free trial to create an account. Just fill out the required information, then click on submit once done. Next, check your email for your login details. Once you have them, go to the login page, then enter the information provided by Lime CRM. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. To add a new company, click on the plus sign button on the left panel, then select Company. Here you can fill in the necessary company details. This feature is useful for keeping track of businesses you're working with, storing essential information, and managing your client relationships efficiently. You can also add a deal. This section is used to manage potential business opportunities or sales in progress, helping you to track their status from start to finish. Next, you can add a marketing activity. Just enter a campaign name, choose the campaign status, and fill out any relevant details. Marketing activities are used to manage and monitor your marketing campaigns, keeping everything organized in one place. Now back in the dashboard, you'll see categories like new leads, codes to follow up, deals won, needs customer love, high growth prospects, and client to contact. These sections help you to stay on top of your sales pipeline and prioritize tasks based on where each client or opportunity stands in the customer journey. Now click on the drop-down menu that says Sales, then go to My Day. This section shows you your list of to-dos. You can add a new task by clicking on the plus button, then enter subject, and you can set the dates. You can also link it to a person. Once done, just click on Create. You can also go to the Marketing section where you can manage your campaigns, analyze performance, and keep track of customer engagement. Lastly is head to Customer Service section. Here you can handle support tickets, track customer inquiries, and ensure your clients are getting the help they need. And that's a quick overview of how to use Lime CRM to manage your sales, marketing, and customer relationships all in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.